So we about to get my homeboy Ant car clean. Look at all this. 9 months of sitting. So we about to clean this bad boy up. You already know what the chemical guys. Y'all see it now, right? Snap of a finger, it would be clean. Look at this. Look at this. How you do a wide body like this? Let's see what it do though. Look at this. The water's already dirty off of one tire. That's one tire. All I did was scrub the brush off of one tire. It's gonna be a long day. It's gonna be a long day. So he's spraying it off now. We ran through 2 buckets on the tires. As you can see that they're clean. And now he's spraying it off so we can go ahead and wash it up with the chemical guys, of course. So this is gonna be my chemical guy video for not Snapchat, but YouTube for a wide body. At that, this is a wide body. So as y'all know, I got Yoshi over there, and this is going to be a chemical guy review. So far what we use and what we are using. Of course, you got a 2-bucket method. You got a 2-bucket method. And we are using Hydrosa cement car wash soap. And we use this for the tires. So far, this is what we are using. We haven't used everything yet. I'm pretty sure we can use the tire shine that's over there. That's sitting right there. But for the wash, and you know we got a big, what's it? Oh yeah, the big mouth. Chemical guy, big mouth. Tire shine, as y'all know, everything's basically chemical guys with me. So let's see what we do. You know, he got to get up all up under there. Make sure he get all up under there. Got that gas tank open. I'm gonna see if you want to clean the engine bay. You don't trust it. Y'all can see. Got to get all up in there. Got to make sure all that's clean. Well, yo, I'll get back with y'all when we start spraying. Yeah, that big mouth doing it for us. Look at it. Ooh, soap it up. All that good soap. Y'all see that? Woo! Boy, if y'all ain't got nothing chemical guy, bro, y'all slipping. Body wash. Hey, y'all let the soap do your work for you. You ain't gotta do the work for yourself. Let the soap do it. But that's what the soap's doing. The soap is getting inside, cleaning it all up for them. So this is what I use on my car. I never take it through a car wash. I always use this. Only time I took my car through a car wash when I broke my hand, I couldn't really wash it like I wanted to. So this is what I basically use all the time. And I wash it twice. So I go over my car twice. I'll wash it, rinse it, wash it again. And as y'all can see, look at all that foam coming off. All that good soap. Jeez. He's starting to run out on it. You see it? I'm gonna put his YouTube and his Instagram in the description below. I want y'all to go follow him. Give my homeboy a follow. You about to watch this bad boy. Look at it. Soap eating it away. Soap eating all that dirt away. Look at that. It's snowing over here. Look at that. Gas tank open, but you already know nothing can go in it because there's a thing right here where you can push it to open. Nothing gonna go in it. So he makes sure he cleaned everything on his car. Look at it. Now it looks 10 times better than what we seen the first time, right? That's all because of chemical guys and how we wash. You know what I'm saying? Take your time. Take your time, do it right. You ain't got to worry about it. You ain't got to worry about it, sweetheart. You ain't got to worry about it, sweetheart. The car is flat. The car is flat. Let's go. Get it done. Get it right. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the door jams. We're gonna open the doors up, get the door jams in it. So that way, we're gonna open it up and get the door jams next. So, yo, gotta get this thing sparkling, baby. And we back. And we back, and we back, and we back. As y'all can see, we got a brand new car now. Yeah, it took both of us to do it. You know, but he got a brand new car now. Now he's back being clean. He don't have to be ashamed to ride around and don't have to be ashamed to ride around no more. So damn clean, you go put your face in it. So as y'all can see, he got the tire shine on there. He used, like I told y'all, he was gonna use the tire shine along with the sponge. So that way you can put the tire shine all over your car. So this is, oh my God, people. We also popped the hood. We wiped the hood down. He was scared to spray water up on it to get it clean. But I don't blame him because I'm afraid to spray water on my car too. But this is the outcome of his car. He got to do the tires. I ain't the windows now, so. But this is the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Chemical guys. No, I'm just playing. Like, comment, subscribe to Most Incredible. Yo, this thing. Jeez. Let's go. Trying to never get too old. I didn't know he was gonna start it up, but